Shout glory. Shout glory. Shout glory. Whether you bless me or not, whether you bless me or not, if you wait for God to bless you before you do what you're supposed to do, you will wait very long, because you will even be worse after you get the blessing. I preached the gospel as a single young man. There's my wife. Is it? I preached it with no money. I preached it sick. Ek het gepreek dat my keel bloei. I preached in house services in Menenberg. Ek grap ek in 'n gat in die vloer, af val ek om voor die mense, dan staan ek weer op, sister Berry, is die waarheid?
Amen, prophet.
Was hy daar?
Amen.
Het jy daai gesien?
Yes, prophet.
Het hy kwaad geraak en gesê, ek is sommer nou klaar, ek gaan nou huis toe.
Nooit.
Embarrassment, no embarrassment. Preached in the same text for weeks after weeks, until my daughter here bought me church clothes. Ja. Julle wat so neerkyk op die vrou, sy het vir my klere gekoop, is dit nie waarheid?